In this video, we're going to construct frequency histograms and maybe a relative frequency histogram. So what we're going to do, we're not going to do frequency polygons or ogives in this video, though that's in this section. So let's go ahead and look at number one, construct a frequency distribution and a relative frequency histogram for the data set using 5 classes, and which class has the greatest relative frequency and which has the least relative frequency. I'm going to go ahead and start here by sorting this, finding the range. Let's see, the biggest number here is going to be, it looks like 10, and the smallest number appears to be 1. So we have a width of 9. I need to add 1 to that and divide by 5 gives me 2 for the width. So this is going to be 1 to 2, and then 3 to 4, 5 to 6, 7 to 8, 9 to 10, like that. And then how many do we have that are 1s and 2s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then how many do we have that are 3s and 4s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many do we have that are 5s and 6s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how many do we have that are 7s and 8s? 1, 2, 3. How many do we have that are 9s and 10s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's 15, 25, 28, 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 times 9 is 36. We've got all of them. So which one is the correct graph that shows frequencies of 7, 8, 10, 3, and 8? Well, we need to convert these to relative frequencies. So this is 7 out of 36, 8 out of 36, 10 out of 36, which is, this is 4 out of 18, 2 out of 9. This is 5 out of 18. This is 3 out of 36, which is 1 out of 12. And this is 8 out of 36, which is 2 out of 9. So our relative frequency here for the first group is going to be little below 20%, and then we're going to be a little above 20% here, and then a little below 30% here, so on. So it's going to be A. It's going to be the correct one here when we convert these to decimal form. You can go ahead and check that out with your calculator convert these fractions to decimals and make sure that they line up with these bars. But if these were 7, 8, 10, 3, and 8, you can see these bars line up. They're both 8. 7 is a little bit smaller. 10 is a little bit bigger, and 3 significantly smaller. That's the correct order to go in. And it did ask for relative frequency, which is why we didn't have just regular frequency here. We needed relative frequency, and this pattern was wrong because it's 7, 8, 10, 3, 8. So we would want to have our class marks here so that they are between groups. So we would be going from 1 to 2, and 1.5 would be in the middle. And the class marks would be representative of the entire class, like that. Right. Let's see, the class of 5 to 6 has the greatest relative frequency, and the class from 7 to 8 has the lowest relative frequency. So that's it for this video. We'll come back next time and we will keep talking about 2.1. See you for the next video.